If you can't remove the charging connector in the normal way, there are two options. One is to release it electrically via the vehicle key. Press the unlock button 3 times in quick succession. If you still can't remove the charging connector, there's also the option of releasing it manually. Locate the small flap in the luggage compartment. Turn the catch by 90 degrees. Open the flap and release the charging connector manually by pulling the yellow loop. It should now be possible to remove the charging connector in the normal way.
Volkswagen.